Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. It's been a minute and I know I probably sound super stuffy. I'm pretty sure I have COVID again, so just bear with me. I'm starting to feel way better, but if I sound stuffy, that's why. But for this video, we're going to be using my extra short round soft gel full nail covers. My Etsy shop, that's where these are sold, but my Etsy shop did just have a major restock, so my extra short squares are also back in stock, and I am bringing a new shape to my shop, and that should be live today. If not today, then it will be live tomorrow. And as you can see here, I'm using my solid nail tip glue gel. A lot of you guys were saying that you love the product, just didn't really like how small the container was, so I made the containers way bigger with more product, and now they are 15mm jars. You guys were absolutely right. The bigger jar is amazing. It gives you way more sets, and yeah. So if you're interested, as I said, the link will be down below in my description box. You guys absolutely love this product, and I do as well. It's super easy to apply your nails, and it just makes the whole process 10 times faster. When I first started doing nails, I was doing them with polygel, and I love polygel, don't get me wrong. I'm still forever a polygel girl, but it just took a long time. This cuts the process down like not even in half, in a quarter. It's insane. So as you can see, all I do is take my soft gel full nail cover and I almost just scoop out the solid nail tip glue gel product, and then I just press apply it and you're done. It's literally that easy. You do have to cure after applying all your fingers, which is another pro tip. Instead of doing it individually one by one, I used to do one finger at a time and then cure, and then do the next finger and then cure. It just makes that process faster, and it also eliminates the amount of time that your hand is in and out of that lamp when you do all 5 nails at once. And since this is like almost like a putty texture, the nails aren't gonna move as they might start shifting if you were to be using polygel, which is a little bit more slimier. So as you can see here, I'm just going around the cuticles mainly and cleaning up any excess that may have squeezed out the sides. You want to make sure you're doing that before curing. And yeah, I just went in and cured. I cure my nails for about 2 minutes and then they're fully set. You don't need to cure that long since the solid nail tip glue gel is clear and the nails are as well, so it, can penetrate right through. But yeah, now we're going in and I'm using this OPI polish in the shade Put It in Neutral. I'm truly becoming a fan of a lot of the OPI basics, and I've been using them a lot lately. I got this from the site Beyond Nail Polish, I believe. But with this gel polish, I did use 3 coats to get the color, the shade that I wanted, which I don't mind at all because I like the fact that you can layer it. Because some days, I do want a lighter layer. So just keep in mind, you probably want to do about 3 coats, maybe even 4 if you want a really deep, rich look. But for this look, I did 3 coats of Put It in Neutral. I'll have the link to this down below. You can also purchase it on Amazon if you have like a beauty license, but most people probably don't. If you do, good for you, girl. But if not, I'll leave the site that I purchased mine off of. So for my French tip, we're doing a pearl French tip look. I did this nail design for my trip, which I'll tell you about in a second. But as you can see there's 2 different colors. I'm using a cream color, which is the one I have open right now, and then a little bit to the right is a white color, and I just layered it. I really don't know if it made a difference. I feel like I probably could have just went in with the pure white pearl polish I had. But this is how I did it on my right hand. So you know what they say, whatever you do to the right, you gotta do to the left, and vice versa. So I went in with the kind of, you know, off-white color first, and then I went in with the pure white on top for the French. So I did 2 coats to give it a nice opaque thick look. And I got these gel pots from AliExpress. I'll be sure to leave the link to it down below, and you could probably find a dupe for this on Amazon, because I'm not gonna lie, AliExpress just sometimes it just takes too long for me, and I'm not that patient when it comes to like stuff I order online. When I order it online, I'm the person that's like, I'll pay for 1 to 2 days shipping because I want it right now. Like that's how crazy it is. And this probably took about 2 months to get to me. So I'll try and find a dupe on Amazon that may be able to prime it, but if not, then I'll leave the link to the AliExpress store that I got it from. But yeah, I really love this polish. It's very thick. You really don't need too many coats. I just use 2 because, I don't know, I guess I'm just extra. But I'm using this brush that I got from Shein, and Shein has really amazing nail products. I just don't shop there anymore because, I don't know, there's so many controversies going on with the whole sweatshop things, and you know, but if you say that about Shein, then you gotta say that about, you know, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, all the fast fashion brands, because they all order it from, you know, the same suppliers. So if you ban one, you gotta ban them all. So I don't know. I'm just not gonna support any of that on my platform, and I'll just leave it at that. Get your nail art brushes from wherever you deem fit. You can get nail art brushes from anywhere, from your local small business beauty supply stores, nail supply stores, Amazon, whatever you want to do. But yeah, so as you can see, like, they're 2 different colors. One is a lighter, like an off-white type of white, and then I got my pure white. So for this pearl look, I just layered both, and I kind of did some swirls and stuff just to give it a little bit more dimension. But I absolutely love this pearl look. I did this for my trip to Italy. I know I haven't posted, I think it's been 3 weeks, which is the longest I've ever not posted. I know I gave you guys a warning last time, but yeah, I went to Italy for my birthday trip, and these nails were absolutely perfect. I'm back now, and I still have the nails on. They are a little bit grown out, but not one nail lifted. And I didn't show you my prep in this video. I'll leave a link down below to my prep routine that I do. But these nails were the perfect length. They were the perfect durability. Like 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend giving them a try. But yeah, I'm going in with a top coat. I forgot to mention, this is by NKK Nails Cat Cat, and I'll leave a link to this as well. One of my favorite no wipe top coats. These nails are pre-shaped for you, which is amazing because it also cuts down the shaping time. As you can see, I'm just going in here at the end and just doing some final touches. If you have a problem shaping, definitely recommend giving these soft gel full nail covers a try, because I do as well, and they just make life so much easier. This is an 80/80 grit nail file that I purchased off of Amazon, and it is listed in my Amazon storefront. But yeah, I'm going in now with a cuticle oil. This cuticle oil is sold in my Etsy shop as well, and today I'm using the scent Cherry Blossom. This does come in 5 different scents if you don't like the cherry blossom. It also comes in citrus, lavender, rose, and jasmine. So yeah, I'm just going in and rubbing that in on my cuticles. Cuticle oil is very important. You always want to make sure your cuticles are hydrated and nourished. And these cuticle oils are made with all natural ingredients and hand pressed flowers. So here are the final results. Super cute. As I said, I did this for my Italy trip and I loved them. Fun fact, I actually did this the night that I was leaving, the night before I left, at like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I just knew I was gonna get this up for you guys before I left, but that didn't happen because I also had to pack. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.